Hellcat.
Hello my friends, today we will review a very useful product that I haven't owned for years. This right here, this Swiffer with the bottle. So, and the dry wipes, I guess you can get them in the wet ones. I got some, but I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if they're gonna fit, but this is what it came with in a kit. And I'm gonna try it, and I tried a few days ago when I first got it, and a strange thing keeps happening and preventing me from doing the job. So I bought it a few years ago. I used it. I can't remember. I think it was okay. And then for about a few months in the past, I had somebody help us clean the house, so apartment and a house, but then the money ran out, so I'm at it again. Okay, so I took it out of the box. This assembly was pretty simple. Requires a couple batteries here that are included in the box. The attachment of the pad is pretty easy. You just stick it on it, and it came with this bottle. It's the smaller size. The bigger, the regular one, the refill that you buy, is a little bit bigger. So I haven't finished this one. I used it once. It still has some in there. So looks like this is the way you put it in. Let me see. Okay, so there's an arrow. It says to go there. I think this is the way, so it clicks. Here we go. And Peter is helping out here. So when you push on it, you see that the streams of liquid inside are going in there. And seems like it's working. And this dog, you know what? I think I've been putting it on the other way around this whole time. So it kept popping out. But you know what? Just look like this. Peter, don't get it? Alright, so here's the trick. And I thought I might have had an unfavorable review, but looks like, okay, so you want to make sure you put it the right way. I think what I was doing, I was putting it this way, see right here? Well, now it doesn't even want to lock. Well, I don't know. Maybe I did it, but it kept popping out. And then the stream is not coming from there. But seems like it's working now. The floor is getting clean. And the dog is having fun, except I don't want him to get in that liquid there. All right, well, I guess I'll give it 5 stars for now. Everything is working just fine. I don't think my technique is correct. But sure, the dog is having fun, and that's worth something. All right, well, here we go. It works.